Planning your next adventure can be thrilling, but it's essential to remember that things don't always go as planned. That's where travel insurance comes in. Whether you're going on a quick weekend getaway or a month-long exploration, having the right travel insurance can give you peace of mind. Why bother with travel insurance? You might think, nothing ever goes wrong on my trips. But the truth is, unforeseen events, like flight delays, medical emergencies, or lost luggage can happen. And when they do, they can be costly. Travel insurance provides financial protection for these unexpected events. It can help cover costs if your trip gets cancelled, your luggage is lost, or you need medical assistance abroad. Without it, you might find yourself facing hefty bills or scrambling to make alternative travel plans. Now that we've established why it's important, let's break down the different types of travel insurance you can choose from. First, there's trip cancellation, interruption insurance. This is probably the most common type. It reimburses you for prepaid, non-refundable expenses if your trip is cancelled or cut short for reasons covered by your policy. Think illness, family emergencies, or severe weather. Next, medical and evacuation insurance is crucial if you're travelling internationally. Many countries don't accept your local health insurance, so having coverage for unexpected medical expenses or even medical evacuation can be a lifesaver. Then we have baggage and personal belongings insurance. If your luggage is lost, stolen, or damaged during your trip, this insurance helps cover the cost of replacing those items. Flight delay or missed connection. Insurance is also useful. If your flight is delayed or cancelled, this can help cover costs like meals or accommodation while you wait. And lastly, for frequent travellers, there's annual travel insurance, which covers all your trips throughout the year. This can be a more cost-effective option if you travel multiple times annually. So how do you choose the right policy? Here are some key factors to consider. Destination. Where are you going? Some destinations may require specific types of insurance. For example, some countries demand proof of medical coverage before granting a visa. Trip length and frequency. If it's a short trip, you might need different coverage than for a long vacation or a year abroad. Frequent travellers should consider annual policies. Activities planned. If you're engaging in high-risk activities like skiing or scuba diving, make sure your policy covers them. Your health needs. Consider your personal health and whether you'll need extra coverage for pre-existing conditions. Policy limits. Always check the coverage limits and exclusions. Some policies might not cover every situation, so read the fine print. Once you've narrowed down your options, it's time to compare policies. Look for the best balance between coverage and cost, and don't be afraid to shop around. Websites like comparison platforms can help you evaluate different policies side by side. When you've found the right plan, make sure you understand what's covered and what's not. You don't want surprises when it's time to make a claim. Also, keep all necessary documentation, including your policy number and emergency contact details, easily accessible during your trip. Travel insurance is a small investment that can save you a lot of trouble and money if things don't go as planned. Whether it's trip cancellation, medical emergencies, or lost baggage, having the right coverage will let you focus on enjoying your trip. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and advice from HasWings.